Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making smashed potatoes. Smashed potatoes offer a wonderful balance between the crispy outside of the potato and the light, fluffy inside of the potato. That might sound like it's hard to do, but it's actually really easy. It just takes a while because you have to cook them twice. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make it, alright? To make smashed potatoes, you're going to need roughly 150 grams of baby red potatoes. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, and tarragon. So the first part of cooking is getting the insides of the potatoes light and fluffy. Add your potatoes to a pot and add enough water to cover the potatoes. Add the lid to your pot and bring the heat up to high until the water comes to a boil.
Chasing you or chasing, but as day turns into night, I wonder if you're really real, no friend of mine. It's taking more time. It's taking more time. Under all the forest trees and over every water.
Once the water has come to a boil, turn the heat down to medium-high and boil the potatoes for 20 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, we can prepare the seasoning. You can season the potatoes directly later if you prefer, but I find the proportions work a lot better if you blend them in advance. In a bowl or ramekin, add salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, and tarragon. Tarragon is going to be one of my main flavors, so add a fair amount, though do be advised it is quite a strong flavor. And blend it all together. After your potatoes have boiled for about 20 minutes, go ahead and remove them from the stove. Drain the water. And add onto a baking sheet. Try and arrange the potatoes away from the edges, relatively evenly spaced. Use a sturdy glass or something like it to press down on the potatoes. Don't make them too thin though. If you make them too thin, then they'll be extra crispy and dry when you take them out of the oven. Drizzle your peanut oil over the potatoes. And add your seasoning. You don't have to use everything used in the bowl, so long as these are pretty well coated. At this point, we move on to the second stage of cooking. This part crisps the outside of the potatoes. So what you want to do is you want to put them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. I'll see you when they're done. Alright, the potatoes have been roasting in the oven for 30 minutes. Let's get them out of there. nice and crispy, but those have a beautifully fluffy inside. They're good to be served right away, but you might want to let them cool off a little bit first. Today I'm serving my smashed potatoes with a roast duck leg with orange sauce and a salad of romaine heart with Bubba's creamy garlic dressing. And there you have it, smashed potatoes. Like I said, they take a little bit of time, but they're actually pretty easy to make. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.